Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and contact Instagram or Instagram support. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. First things first, all you need to do is simply go ahead and open your Instagram account or ID right over here. So once you've done that, all you need to do is simply go ahead and head into your profile icon on the bottom right. Click on the top right triple lines icon, and once you've done that, all you need to do is simply scroll all the way down until you see help. So let me just go ahead and show it to you. So there it is. Click on help, and now you can simply go ahead and contact your support by clicking on help center. And now you can simply go ahead and choose any kind of problem that you're facing, or you could also go ahead and simply go ahead and contact them. So let me just go ahead and show you another way you can do it. Simply go to report problems. So simply go ahead and click here, and then click on include without continuing, and simply enter everything right here and click on send, and they'll get in contact with you right away. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button, and I'll see you on